one.
Thailand.
This one.
Turkey.
Yeah. This one.
No, that's I.
This one.
Vietnam.
Yeah. This one.
Yemen.
This one.
Bahamas. Bahamas.
This one.
Canada.
This one.
Chile.
This one. This one.
England.
Then.
Germany.
Job.
Italy.
Good job.
Japan.
Job.
Kuwait. Kuwait.
Good job. Very good. This one.
Maldives.
Good job.
Norway.
Very good.
Panama.
Correct.
Philippines.
Good job.
Qatar.
This one.
Scotland.
Scotland. Sit down lang. Good job. Good job.
Vietnam. Singapore.
Good job.
Sa kaliwa.
Good job.
Switzerland.
Good job.
Vietnam. Give to dad. Macy? Very
Oh,
good.
very
Okay,
good.
where is Turkey? Turkey.
Good job.
Very good. Can you give dad Yemen? Yemen. Where is Yemen?
Good
Very
job.
good. How about USA?
Yay! Very good.
Where is Canada? Canada. Give to dad. Is that Canada? Very good. Where is the flag Bahamas? Very good. Where is the flag Maldives? Maldives. Very good.
good.
Where is Germany? Yay!
Yay!
Very good. Italy. Italy. Give to dad. Italy.
Good job.
Very good. Where is Norway? Norway. Very good. Where is Japan? Yay! Flag England. Woohoo! Very good. Can you give daddy the flag Panama? Very good. Can you give daddy the flag Philippines? Very good. Can you give daddy Singapore? Yay! Woohoo! Give daddy the flag Scotland. 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 Oops. Scotland. Very good. Can you give daddy the flag South Korea? Can you give daddy the flag China? Very good. Can you give daddy the flag Kuwait? Very good. Woohoo! Can you give daddy the flag Thailand? Very good. Can you give daddy the flag Russia? Can you give daddy the flag Chile? Yay! Very good. Okay. Flag Qatar. Can you give daddy the flag Switzerland?
Yay!